Hi, this is the Realme 11 Pro and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So first let's just press and hold and just to see which here options we got. So to change them, let's open the settings, scroll down to the special features, click the quick launch, and just to change your current menu to customize, tap to edit icon and switch. You could here change the positions of the options. You could remove them just by click on the minuses and just to add them by click on each of the options, functions or apps just by this way. And you could change their positions also, don't forget about that. So then just tap to OK on the right top corner and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.